David, Miss Vilma Santos!
I love it, kissing all night long.
Ate V! Hi! Nalala mo yung song na yan? Good evening! Good evening po. Hi, thank you for coming. Ate V, this is for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And first of all, congratulations, Sharon. Second episode mo to. So this is your
Oo.
second episode. So, good luck.
Thank you, Ate V. Thank you. At para sa iyong awit na ito. They say I'm only sweet 16. Never been kissed, never been loved. All I want is candy.
Ice cream, teddy bear, and lollipop.
Thank you, Ate V. Mga kaibigan, we'll have more of the one and only Miss Vilma Santos when Sharon returns. Ice cream.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we bring you the little twin stars of Philippine cinema. Miss Vilma Santos and Miss Sharon Cuneta at kakambal sa puso. Sa awards,
Katibayan ng pagkilala para kay Binibining Vilma Santos.
Miss Sharon Cuneta.
pati na sa rewards, pati yata sa drama on screen. And off-screen, super the same.
Ngayon, lunukin mo ang batong yan at pagkatapos ay sambitin mo ang nabasa mong pangalan.
Dana! Ate, ko ba yan?
Tana!
Pati ba naman superhero, super the same? Kaya if you're smart, tawagan ang buong bayan to switch channels agad. Dahil wala nang gaganda pa sa usapang Shawi at V. Ang una sa lahat, una sa ganda. At ang babaeng may gaganda pa ba? Miss
Po, Ate V, yung sinasabi ko kanina, marami tayong similarity sa buhay natin. Pero hindi alam ng marami. Alam nyo po, hindi lang yan ang pinagsasalamatan ko kay Ate V. Pero yung Langis at Tubig, remember that movie of Ate V
Yes.
with Dindo Fernando and Ami?
Si Ami Austria and Dindo, directed by Danny Shalcita.
Directed by Direk Danny. Ang theme song po ng Langis at Tubig was given to me by George Canseco because of Direk Danny Shalcita. And sabi ni Direk Danny sa akin isang beses, singer pa lang ako noon, sabi niya, sa Cebu Film Festival, dapat sasakay si Ate V sa float. Doon sa parang motorcade.
Right, oo.
But you were pregnant with Luis.
Right.
And I was 14. And Direk Danny said, Sharon, if you do this for me, total you sang the theme song of the movie, can you come to Cebu, ride the float because your Ate V can't make it? If you do this for me, I will give you a movie and I'll make you a star. Of course, my dad didn't agree right away. This movie was Dear Heart, and the rest is history. So for that, Ate V, I thank you from the bottom of my
My
heart.
gosh. Thank you also, Shawi. At siguro alam naman ng lahat na kapag binanggit mo ang Langis at Tubig, talagang Sharon Cuneta ang pumapasok sa isip nila. First yun na kanta.
Hindi. I'd like to sing these three very special songs for you. They happen to be three of my favorite movies because I've always been your fan, you know that. So
Thank you.
I saw these movies and I'd like to do them for you. Ate V, this
Thank
is
you
for
very
you.
much.
I
Thank
love
you,
you,
Sharon.
Ate
I love
V.
you too, Sharon.
Thank you so much.
I love you.
This is for you and for you.
Tubig at langis ang katayuan natin, yan ang kawamis. Pilitin mang magsama, may mahapis. Ganyan-ganyan tayong dalawa. Ang panuntunay magkaiba. Tubig at langis, idarang man sa init, di rin tatamis. Dahil ang halo'y lupa, pag-ibig at kaligaya sa ating daigdig. May dasal ba ako, hindi niya narinig? Papel natin sa pag-ibig. Ako'y langis, ikaw ibig. Paano bang mangarap ang isang tigang kung nandikaya lalim pang lumalayo? Kailangan bang matulog ng saktang hindi tumakas sa mundo at huwag nang magising? Di ko na alam, muli pang mag-isa mula nang makapiling ka. Dahil ako'y umasa na lagi kang kasama, laban sa mundo ay tayo lang dalawa. Paano ba ang mangarap kong bigo at may sugat ang iyong puso? Di ba kailangan may kaagapay? Pagmamahal mo ay ang tangi kong buhay. Sinasampa kita, higit sa'yo ikaw, iniibig lang kita. Paggalang ko sa'yo'y higit sa buhay kong taglay. Wala na yatang papantay, ang buhay may ibibigay ko pa. Sinasamba kita.